Hi guys, so here we are with the ASUS ROG Phone 5, just launched, and I'm here to showcase a few accessories. Even though this version doesn't bundle it, the superior and higher spec versions of the ROG Phone 5 supply this active Aero Cooler 5. As the name says, it's a cooler. It takes down the temperature of the device by quite a few degrees, something like 10 degrees for the CPU and 15 degrees for the surface. Now, you should pay great attention on how you insert it and how you connect to the device, because you may scratch the metal frame with these pins here. So you should go pins first and then the clip-on the top side. Okay, let's do this carefully. So this is the area where you should connect it, and this is the hole left for the USB-C. Okay, here goes a pretty solid attempt at connecting it. Okay, so I think I've done quite right. You should also see this logo lighting up at some point, and this active Aero Cooler obviously will cool your handset. Finally, the logo is on, and the good thing is that it also has a kickstand which you can pull like this and hold the phone like this, prop it up like this to watch a video, for example. Okay, so aside from that, there are also buttons here, which frankly speaking I don't exactly know what they're for, but I'm going to discover it. So we have some side flaps or buttons here, and you can mess around with the settings for the cooler from here. Console, Game Genie, fan speed. Here you go. You can press this, you can take the fan speed higher. I can already feel it on my hand. You got the auto option. You can disable it when the microphone is active. You can also edit the lighting. In this case, I'm thinking this lighting replaces the one you saw before. So that's the active Aero Cooler, which drops the temperature by quite a few degrees. We have a bit of a tutorial here and some notes, and when I connected it for the first time, it also performed a software update for it. Okay, so I think it's time we stopped it. Okay, and took it off, starting from the top, or maybe from the bottom. Let's see. Okay, that's it. I'm fearing the fact that these pins will scratch this side, which I probably already have. And be advised, follow this tutorial here. Next up on the list of accessories you can play with, we got the brand new ASUS ROG Cetra II Core. Not just for the ROG Phone 5, you can connect it to the Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, 5, whatever. And check out the angular here, the angularity of 90 degrees. It doesn't go straight into the jack, it goes to the side, so it doesn't impede your gaming. Very important. High resolution, supporting TeamSpeak and Discord. They're certified for that. And these are the headphones. You have a pretty cute pouch to carry them in. There's a pretty strong smell of nail polish when opening it up. And here you can see spare stuff, spare plugs, spare ear fins, an adapter. Quite the adapter here. Okay. I was actually expecting for this to light up. And then you go and see the manual for the ROG Cetra II Core, and these are the actual headphones with the ear fins already attached. That's the design. You have a variety of tips for a variety of ear sizes, and you have here a remote control, and the connection is done via this pretty small connector, 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so I'm going to test this over the next few weeks and come back with some answers for you, hopefully. The previous ROG set I played with was actually pretty nice. It has enough bass, and the microphone was omnidirectional, just like this one. This one surely is, not sure about the predecessor. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side for now, and this is obviously the most interesting accessory, is the ROG Kunai 3. The 3 came for the ROG Phone 3, but this one was adapted for the ROG Phone 5. There's a heavy inspiration, nobody denies it, from the Nintendo Switch, but we actually have three usage modes here. There's an extra cable inside, but let's forget about that for now. Okay, so let's take things one at a time. What's the Kunai? Aside from being a sword from ancient Japan, it's also this joystick here, and you can use it like this. You have an indoor mode and outdoor mode, and it has plenty of controls. So you have those ones here, an interesting placement for shoulder buttons, inner placement, these buttons, and these buttons. Actually have 3 sets of shoulder buttons. You can actually detach those and use them probably like you do with the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, to play one against the other. Okay, and aside from this mode, which is the compact controller mode, we can also put the toy here, snap it right on, and use this for better grip. And when everything is done, we can go up close and personal, truly close to the Nintendo Switch identity, and use this baby here. It's a special case which connects to the phone and lets you attach the side cones without hassle. Of course, you're going to orient yourself using the USB-C port. Okay, here we go. ROG Phone 5, by the way, just so there's no confusion. You have some pins here which connect to these pins. These are actually the pins, these are actually the connectors. Okay, so let's see how we attach these babies. It's a slide-on experience, like this and like this, and voila, it's lit up. And I think we can also play a game. I've installed Asphalt 9, pretty cool lightning pattern here. Key mapping available, of course. It feels pretty comfy in my hand, although it's a pretty wide experience. Okay, and we're going to play a game. Quite a few shoulder buttons. I can already feel the back ones, and they feel pretty nice. Okay, and it actually works. Oh my god, they have ads in the game now. Haven't played Asphalt for a while. Also not very sure how the mapping works, but there aren't that many buttons. Oh, guess what? We actually have this listed up here. Nitro is the RBRTA button, and that's all that matters. So double press or double press this one here. Just for the sake of it, just for the sake of the demo, not planning on winning trophies this time. Let's see. So from what I understood, the trigger buttons should help us with the nitro, as well as with the, well, spinning, drifting. Oh my god, that's a beautiful Mazda car. I'm totally gonna get beaten. Okay, so that's nitro, and that's drifting. Okay, so I'm definitely drifting now. I'm also doing the super drift. The odds are very slim here of actually getting to do anything, because this fellow actually knows what he's doing, or does he? Surprisingly, even though I'm underpowered, I managed to surpass that guy and even knock him out. This is not over yet. Too little, too late. Losing ground. And surprisingly, I'm just at 29% of the race. There's quite a long way to go. But the buttons feel pretty clicky and all. And that guy just failed miserably. The game looks spectacular on the 144 Hz screen of the ASUS ROG Phone 5. And that's about it. So I just showed you the accessories. More details will be revealed in a text material and also review pretty soon. This is from gsno.com. Enjoy the video we have here, and definitely will be more soon. Bye bye.